Hey guys, hope you're well. And today we're going to be looking at 3D plots using SymPy. Okay, cool. So on a side note, I'd really appreciate it if you guys actually subscribe to my channel. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe button. I'll greatly appreciate that. So thank you in advance. So from SymPy, import from start, and then from SymPy plotting, then import. So plot 3D, and then plot parametric. And plot 3D parametric. Okay, cool. So initial printing. So pretty print, that's true. And my symbols that I'm going to use X, Y, Z. So that's equal symbols. Okay, cool. So I'm going to assign variables to my functions. So A will be sin X times cos X. So B will take the function X times exponential, minus X squared minus Y. C equals to X to the power 4 plus Y to the power 5. Right, so let me start off with doing a bit of 3D plot. So plot 3D. So my function A, and then my X value will be minus 15 to 15, and then Y takes the same range as well. So here we are. Well, that's my function there. Okay, cool. And then I'll do another function as well. Say plot 3D. Times cos Y. So let me do it this way. Okay, so there we are. Looks like an egg crate, no, crate of eggs. Okay, cool. Right, and then okay, cool. And yeah, so plot 3D, my function B, and then show true, show equals true. So if you don't specify the ranges, it will just do from minus 10 to 10 for both X and Y. So yeah, there we are. That's my 3D function. That's my 3D graph. Okay, cool. That looks really neat. Right, and then the last one, plot 3D, and then show equals true. So here we are. So that's the 3D graph. Cool. Right. So I want to do parametric plot. Okay. So plot, then parametric. Then I'll choose my line color. I'll just make it a bit more interesting. Line color will be red. So that's my parametric plot for my function. And then do another one as well that's going to be a bit more interesting. So plot, then parametric. So 2 times cos x sine x. Okay, and then cos x and sine x. And then my x will take the ranges from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, here we are. That's my parametric plot. Cool. And then what I'll do now is I'll do one that's I'll do a combination of 3D and parametric line. So plot 3D and then parametric, then line. Right. So that'll be cos x sine x with x, and then x taking the values of minus 15 to 15, and then show equals true, and then line color so here we are, just like a little spring. Okay, cool. And then I'll do another function as well. Right, so that'll be cos x cos times 2x, sorry. Right, and then just hold on. Yeah, sine 2 times 2x, yeah. I'll just use the same ranges, so just make my life easier. Show equals true. And then my line color will be let me go blue. Let's just double check that. Just want to make sure that I've done it right. Yep, yep. So here we are. Okay, cool. So this is just another video showing you how to do 3D graphs and parametric plots. So if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, and thank you guys for watching, and have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.